Module 3, Lesson 2, Plan Updates, New Versions. Module 3, Objectives. Upon completion of this module, users will be able to create review teams. Users will have the ability and knowledge to create a new version of their plan, archive the previous version, and view archived plans. Lesson 2, Objective. Upon completion of this lesson, users will have the ability and knowledge to create a new version of their plan, archive the previous version, and view archived plans.
In today's lesson, we're going to cover how to create a new version or update a plan after it's been through the approval and/or review process. Now, like we showed in the review process, plans are going to be locked, so you can't edit them. So how you can edit them is going to be in these steps. And as always, under the reference library in the global folder are the PDFs created to help you go through this process. So first, we're going to look at our plans that we're going to cover. In this first part are going to be the functional plan, site facility plan, and incident event plans. The process we're going to go through first is the same for all three of these types of sections of plans. So in our site facility plan, we will use our test 1, 2, 3 plan down here at the bottom. And as you can see over here on the right is add new version. Now, if you remember previously from our directed review process, we cannot edit this plan anymore. There's no way for us to edit it. So in order to do that, we need to create a new version. This is extremely simple by going here and clicking add a new version. On the next screen, you'll see that all the information is popped up and is here for you to review. And always make sure that the copy, content, and structure is checked. The reason that we do this is it rolls over all of the information to include all sections, both checked and unchecked in a plan, so that we can edit it again. So if you look down here, make sure that's checked. You also want to make sure that that's always checked with share with other agencies. Now go down here and click Save. Now as we can see when we go back into this test 1, 2, 3 plan, that everything's under development. You can see here that everything, we have the view plan, check out, we have those options again. The reason that we do this is so that we can make those edits, but we don't lose that old version of the plan. If we look here at the top of this screen, when we click on the site facility plans, we see it says current plans. If we transition over to archive plans, you'll see there is a list, and what we're going to do is we're going to go to the last page, and we're going to show you. So as you see here, we have a lot of these tests 1, 2, 3, 4-21. We've gone through this a few times, making these videos. You have an idea of when that new version was created. Also, in this case with multiple ones, the newest plan that has been archived is always at the top of the list. So as you can see here, if we click into this one, it is our last plan that we did. So we can see all of the content changes or no changes. And if we need to get a copy of this plan, we can always use the get report. So that's how we go over the add new version for the functional plans, site facility plans, and incident event plans. For our basic plan, and this only applies to county and municipal government or state agencies because they're the only ones that have access to the basic plan. All others will do the add new version the way that is. This does take a while for these plans to open, sometimes because of all the information that's there. Now, if you're in a basic plan, the way that you add a new version is you go to Edit Plan Structure, and up here at the top you edit, and you change the version name, and then you change the date that it's to be finished by. And then all you do is hit Save. Once you hit Save, you see the drop-down menu of all these previous ones. Much like the other plans, you click on a previous version, you'll go back a screen, and you can do the Get Report. So Very simple to go through and add new versions, just a few mouse clicks to get you going forward again for that plan. And as always, if you have any questions or comments, please contact the PIMA administrator, and remember, all of the help guides for all of these different modules that we've been through are all in the reference library under the global folder.